Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell. Anytime I upload, you'll be notified. Please guys, share and thumbs up. This life evil dey, many things they happen. Naija, I fear Naija. How can woman being go dey say baby 1.1 million? 1 million. This woman even carry by when they used to the jot the amount, the baby business. It can't become whether na there be family. I don't know friends. So where you for know this one, you know. I don't know this one. Them. I don't know this one. Them. This one will go talk go this side. This one will talk go this side. This woman self when hold money for her, they even ask her. The first one when you first say, who you say give? You say na family. You can't go give them for us. You say yes later. You say, I beg, I know if you talk. When I watch the video, those of you whenever I watch her, when I watch.
So the woman today, and you told this woman now 1 million naira, so that you can collect 50,000 inside. Okay. Now, how did you come here today? Where do you stay? What is your name? From Omania. You have been arrested in Port Harcourt here today at Winfield Junction. Or where? Where were you arrested? Rumoputa Junction. What happened? Where were you here?
I have somebody that will buy it.
Okay. Okay.
Then I said that I should come and check it very well.
Okay. Okay. Talk loud. Talk loud.
That is how my voice is. Then as I don't ask them how much, she told me 1 million.
Okay.
I said,
who told you that the baby is 1 million?
Me.
Okay.
Who?
And who told you that the baby will be sold at 9.5? 9.50. You earned 1 million, 50,000. Okay. The top.
So I now say that I should come and see the baby first.
Okay.
So I will see adopt the baby.
Okay.
That's why I came.
Okay, that is why you came.
Yes,
okay.
You come
Did
with
you
who?
come with? Who do you come with? Yeah.
What is her name?
The time you came and bought the other one, she also came with you to come and buy the baby. How much you bought the first one? That's your man's daughter or son?
I don't know her. I don't know
Okay. How much you bought that one?
1.
What is 1?
1,100,000.
1 what?
1,100,000.
100 what? Naira or euro?
Naira.
Okay, that's what you bought it. Okay, when you bought it, 1,100,000 naira. That was what you bought the first baby you bought. From who? Now, today,
from
this one. From who? Okay, this one you came today to buy. How much do you want to sell it today?
She's the one that gave me the money.
How much she gave you?
The same amount.
How much?
1.
Where is the money?
It's inside my bag.
This thing now. Hold it for hand. Collect it and hold for your hand.
Give it to her.
How much is it?
1
what?
1.1 million.
Okay, this 1.1 million. What do you want to use it to do?
I never see this.
I say, what do you want? What did you come to do with 1.1 million?
She called me to come and see the baby now. That's why I said
You will now pay. Huh? You will do what?
I will not pay the money to her.
To who? To who?
So I don't even know her name, sir.
So now, you will pay what? How much to her? Huh?
It's 1.
1 what? 1 what?
1.1 million.
Okay. Now, this 1.1 million, who are you going to give the 1. Huh? Which auntie? Huh? Special. Huh? To bring the baby to you. Okay. Now, I think we okay for her.
Auntie Ify. Which person baby you want to pay the money for?
Somebody that called me. That is why.
Who called you?
The number is
A call
calling me.
that.
Somebody
Uh-huh.
What is her
want to
name?
sell. Oh, you wait. The person called you that there is a baby available for sale. At how much the person tell you? 950. Before you now tell this one, you tell her 1 million.
You tell her how much?
This one, you now you tell this one how much? Huh? 1 1. Like 1 1 what? 1 million what? 1 million 1 waiting. Okay, that's what they come. So this why you are here now is to pay for the baby with this money. What do you come here to do with this money? What do you come here to do with this 1 million 1?
I said, if I, the woman that gave me the husband and wife.
One buy. Okay, now then give you this money.
Who is the person who gave you the money?
What is the name? Huh?
I will remember the name.
Okay, no problem.
What is the name of the person?
So I will remember the name because the person just came. I will remember the
From
name.
where did the person come?
From Umuahia.
It's okay, don't ask again.
Oh,
Now let me
yeah.
come in here. That's so the other baby now. The other baby where you sell last 2 weeks. Huh? Where is the baby now?
He's at Aba, all husband and wife for it.
I'm not hearing you.
Okay, now husband and wife, Karen.
My husband and wife buy that one. Okay. Okay. They come. How did they come and kind of say you take it to their house in Aba or they come to Umuahia where you go with the baby to carry out. What is their name? You go to their house to deliver the baby.
I call them, they come, they carry me today.
Okay. So that way you deliver the baby. Okay. What is their name?
The name is on my phone.
Okay, it's okay. Thank you very much.